Hi folks, Jason here with Tonquin Trading. 10 years ago, my wife and I moved over from North Dakota oil fields where I was an EO Level 5 safety trainer. My job in the oil fields was mitigate risk. We moved to the Oregon coast to open up a hiking and outdoor store that specializes in emergency medical equipment. We were the first ones to introduce emergency kits for kids in schools. We were the first ones to introduce hotel guest kits to the hospitality industry. We've most recently partnered with Leatherman Tool Group to create a trauma, a survival, and a repair kit. The ability to be self-sustainable gives you the ability to help others. I like to use the rule of 3. So 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. In general, it's a pretty good way to look at preparedness. By putting these kits together and giving you that platform, we've taken care of the essentials for you. We've taken the components that are on the market, we've condensed those into a high quality kit. We want to set you up for success. We want to give you the best components we can to get you out of that tough situation. Also, the bags themselves, we went through a lot of work to specifically fit these tools in them. These are manufactured right here in the USA, and they're specific to the components inside of these kits. So it's a truly custom piece created by Tonquin Trading and Leatherman. I understand the value of having the right tool for the job. These essential tools give you the ability to be sustainable, to be resilient, to get you home to your family.